YouMay Japan is a company that specializes in the development and manufacturing of advanced dental care instruments. One of their notable products is the Ultrasonic dental care instrument. The Ultrasonic dental care instrument is a state-of-the-art device designed to improve dental care procedures and enhance oral health. It utilizes ultrasonic technology to clean teeth and remove plaque and tartar more effectively than traditional methods. Here are some key features and benefits of the ultrasonic dental care instrument. 1. Ultrasonic cleaning. The instrument uses ultrasonic vibrations to create high-frequency sound waves that effectively remove plaque, tartar, and stains from the teeth surface, including hard-to-reach areas. 2. Gentle and non-invasive. Unlike manual scraping methods, the ultrasonic dental care instrument provides a more gentle and non-invasive cleaning experience, reducing discomfort and potential damage to the teeth or gums. 3. Deep cleaning. The ultrasonic vibrations can penetrate below the gum line, targeting bacteria and debris that can cause gum disease and bad breath. This helps to achieve a more thorough and deep cleaning result. 4. Improved efficiency. The instrument's advanced technology allows for a faster and more efficient cleaning process, saving time for both the dentist and the patient. 5. Versatility. The ultrasonic dental care instrument can be used for various dental procedures, including teeth cleaning, gum treatment, and preparations for dental restorations. 6. Hygienic design. The instrument is designed with hygiene in mind, incorporating features such as detachable and autoclavable handpieces, sterilizable tips, and easy-to-clean surfaces. Overall, the ultrasonic dental care instrument from YouMay Japan is a cutting-edge dental tool that brings advanced cleaning technology to dental care practices, delivering better results and improved patient comfort.